Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what upgrade parts I use on my Schumacher Cougar Laydown buggy, what are the priority parts and what are the upgrades that you probably not need to get but they're nice to have on your car and they're looking really cool. So tune in and enjoy. And if you want to be a better RC driver and learn how to do things on your RC cars, give a like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. To begin with, I will show you a couple of priority upgrade parts to have on your Schumacher Cougar Laydown buggy. I think these are a must-have to make sure you finish every run and you're a bit faster than your competition. Alright, so to start with, I have the Power HD S15 Turbo. It is amazing, very durable, lightweight and very cool looking, so I highly suggest it for your touring car and tour drive racing. To go with that, I have the Aerox servo horn, 25 teeth, a perfect fit for my Power HD servo. And then the LRP products, Blue is better, Flow X Speedo, very smooth power delivery and braking. To go with that, it's the X22 motor, very strong, reliable, it never disappoints me, so I highly recommend it to use it with your LRP Flow X. And go with both of these is the Graphene 4 4000 mAh battery for your modified racing on any surface. So starting from the bottom, I have the -5 Schumacher Cougar Laydown chassis. It is really good. I use it on any surface I go to, any track. It makes my car a bit more aggressive and agile, which is perfect for my driving style. I know some drivers prefer the standard one because it's easier to drive, but I think this is my cutting edge on any track I go to. Here I have the UJ drive shafts. These are perfect for your carpet and some astroturf racing. They give you a bit more steering, especially exit steering, so I highly recommend them for high grip racing. To make sure you finish every run, these are the alloy hub and the alloy yoke for your tour drive front end. I highly recommend them to get them straight away. They make your car a bit more durable. The plastic ones, they will be fine for a couple of runs, but if you hit something, these are surely the ones to go with. Here I have the roll bar set for your tour drive buggy. It is a must-have for your carpet racing. I usually run 1.2mm in the back. I never use the front one, so it is a must-have for any carpet racing. So you should get it straight away when you're buying a new Schumacher tour drive buggy. This is a CNC idler gear. It is much stronger than the kit plastic one, so you should get it even if you're driving stock. I think this is much stronger and will last you a lot more and will save you some money on breaking those kit ones. So go and check it out. I think these were all the priority parts you should get for your tour drive buggy. Now I'll show you some upgrade parts I have on my car, which make my car look a bit cooler and makes me a bit faster, but these are not that necessary to have. Starting off with a few brass weights. I use them every time I race on carpet and astroturf. They make the weight balance of the car move a bit more to the forward, so this gives me a bit more steering and better jumping, so you should get it. Here I have a few titanium parts. This is a Clinic titanium turnbuckle set for the Schumacher Cougar Laydown, which makes your car lighter and they look fantastic. And then I have different sizes of the ball studs and the captive ball studs, which are titanium, so they will save you a couple of grams on your tour drive buggy, which is very important in any type of racing on the carpet and any high grip tracks. A few more titanium bits that I have on my tour drive buggy. These are the titanium front axles for the Cougar Laydown and the titanium front pins, which again save you a couple of grams on your car, and I always use them as we fight for every gram to be on the limit. These are probably my favorite upgrades for the Schumacher Cougar Laydown buggy. These are the Kashima shock bodies, front and rear. These are awesome, they look amazing and they're much easier to work with. So I always have them on my buggies, it doesn't matter which surface. This is an alloy steering track rod version 2. It gives you a wider range of change for Ackerman and you can just add some shims in, change your Ackerman very easily. So it is just easier to work with. Here I have a few carbon plastic pores that Schumacher has made. First of all, we have the front wishbones for the laydown. They're just lighter, as well as the rear wishbones for 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. This is the same part. And then the carbon plastic gearbox covers. They're just lighter. They save you a couple of grams on your buggy, so I highly recommend getting them. This is an alloy gear diff conversion. I've recently tried it and I preferred it compared to the plastic one. So this is a conversion. You can get the alloy one as a whole, but with this part you can change your plastic gear diff to the alloy one. This is a carbon motor plate. It comes as stock with the stock version of the Laydown buggy, but if you got the first version of it, I recommend you getting this one, again, to save you a couple of grams on the whole weight of the car. It is very important on high grip racing. These are the KR wing mounts. They make your wing a bit lower. They made my car a bit more aggressive. They gave me a bit more steering. So that's what I always run on carpet and AstroTurf, basically on high grip surfaces. To finish off, I'll show you a couple of options for your battery straps. This is a so-called X-brace. You get a link to mount to your gearbox, and this gives me a bit more steering on carpet. That's why I usually run it on high grip surface. To go with it, I have the alloy nuts, which look really cool, a bit better than plastic. And then the other option is the clinic paddle for the laydown. This gives the car a bit more flex. It is a bit lighter. I found it a bit easier to drive, but because on carpet I always look for more steering, that's why I on carpet opt for this one. But I know many people prefer the clinic cradle. I use the clinic cradle on the low grip surfaces like wet AstroTurf or clay, so it's always good to have both of these options. And that's it for all the upgrades I have on my Schumacher Cougar Laydown buggy. I hope you guys enjoyed. The first parts that I showed you are the most important, they're the must-haves, and then the later ones, like I've mentioned before, they're cool upgrades, but they're not that necessary. But right now, if you're bored sitting at home, you might as well get them and put them on your car to make it look perfect for your next race. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, tutorials and anything I'll be posting soon. So I hope to see you later and bye bye.